Yeah, this is a 2018 Honda Accord. We end up adding the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system because in these cars they like to break in and take airbags and leave the car in full brakes. I know everybody knows all about that. This is the 2018 model. He went ahead and got rid of the factory rims and bought these rims, which they're really nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it works if anybody tries to bust out the lug nut locks or whatnot. Shut it up by hitting unlock. I went ahead and rearm it. So basically it takes care of the whole car from bumper to bumper. Any windows that somebody will break, it will fire off the alarm. They try to leave the car in full brakes, it will fire off the alarm. We also did a bypass for other little security measures to help the car be safer, which we don't like to disclose in our videos. But basically that's it. This is the shock sensor kit add-on to upgrading the factory alarm system. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the windows. Go ahead and disable the alarm system. This shock sensor add-on was added here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. The numbers are 305-298-4814. This is in a 2018 Honda Accord. Thank you for watching this video.